Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable startup apps in Windows 11 for faster boots. So if you didn't know, or maybe you did, when you install lots of apps and you allow them to naturally run at your startup and launch, Windows actually has to spend more time to actually get you inside of the system because it has to firstly launch those apps when it starts. So if you want to disable those services and those automatic processes running at the startup, this is how you do it. So navigate to your settings. In here in the search, you just type in startup. There you go, startup apps. It's going to be under apps and then startup. And in here, guys, as you can see, I have these apps that are running or not running, set to run in the startup. So just go ahead and untick any button that you don't want. Right, so for example, I have Free Download Manager. I always run it because I just wanted to run if I start any download. So it's kind of, yeah, it just makes sense for me. If you don't need Microsoft Defender, Slack, anything else, security notifications, just go ahead and untick them. And they won't be able to start with your system start, and they won't consume as much of your resources, and your PC will pretty much turn on and get you into Windows much faster. That is it, pretty simply done. No magic. Enjoy faster boot, guys. Like and subscribe.